Hi everyone, today we are with
Charlotte.
and she's going to teach you how to make your very own all natural hand sanitizer using doTERRA essential oils. And the first ingredient that we put in was 5 tablespoons of aloe, and then we put in 4 tablespoons of water, and then now we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E.
And it looks like honey. Looks pretty.
Yes. And then you can put in 8 to 10 drops of doTERRA On Guard. Now, what inspired Charlotte to make this recipe was because she really wanted this container, but it was full of other brand hand sanitizer that had ingredients in there that we're not comfortable with. So we emptied that and we're reusing it, but you can use any other container you want, little spray, you can get fancy ones, anything you want, reuse, repurpose is awesome. And that's it, you just stir it up and then put it in your container. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let us know and I'll post the recipe below. Have a great day.